our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are discussing about JMN's MZ type questions which are from definite integration. This is the second video, I think. So let us have a discussion the question here. The value of integral minus 10 to 10 f of x, it is called composite function. One function is involving another function. F of x, that means f circle f, composite function. Even here also f of 1 by x. This is also composite function, dear students. Dx equal to f of x is given as 1 minus x by 1 plus x. First we need to simplify f of x as well, f of 1 by x. See here, f of x is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Am I right? f of x means, so wherever x is there, replace with this value f of x. So 1 minus f of x divided by 1 plus f of x. So 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Either 2 or 3 important questions, different models of JMNs and MSA type questions I will discuss in this session, dear students. Not more than half an hour, maybe 20 to 25 minutes. 2-3 questions. Clearly I will explain. Divided by 1 plus 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Take LCM and simplify. 1 plus x minus 1 plus x by, here 1 plus x, here 1 plus x get cancelled. 1 plus x plus 1 minus x. So x plus x is 2x divided by 2. So which is equal to x. So f of x is equal to x. So whenever f of x is x, similarly we can define f of 1 by x is what? Is it 1 by x or not? By definition yes. So now come to the question. Therefore, integral minus 10 to 10 f of x into f of 1 by x dx, which is equal to integral minus 10 to plus 10 f of x value is x into f of 1 by x value is 1 by x into dx. So both will be cancelled. Integral minus 10 to plus 10 into dx. Integral dx is x applying the limits minus 10 to plus 10, which is equal to 10 minus of minus 10. First in place of x upper limit substitute 10 minus, in place of its lower limit minus 10. So 10 minus of minus 10, 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20 is the required answer. It is there in the second option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move on to rest of questions. Yes, I already said that in my free time I will come to the session most of the times. I may not available. Okay, some students are making comments. Sheikh Sainaj, yeah, okay, dear students. Tell me, Sainaj, how are you? Everything is good, no? Whatever you want to get the subject, suppose if you want any concept, you write in the comment box, not now. After 10 hours, why? Because live it will be in the private. After that it will be, after 10 hours it will be in the public. So the time, after 10 hours you can give the comment whatever you want. At that time I will help you. Okay, dear students. We'll move to another question now. We go to the next question. By seeing the question is difficult, but it is easy, students. Let x square minus f of x whole square equal to t minus 1 by t and x power 4 plus f of x whole power 4 equal to t square plus 1 by t square, then the value of integral minus 2012 to plus 2012 x square into f of x into f dash of x plus x into dx equal to. So options are provided. X power 4 by 4 plus c, f of x whole power 4 by 4 plus c, minus 4024 f dash of x by 3 times of f of x plus c. This is the question. So how can we make according to that? We will see these things. It may be easy only. Yeah. Those who are watching, please do subscribe. Will be the second question here. Let x square minus f of x whole square Is it convenient for you, dear students? Yes. X square minus f of x whole square equal to t minus 1 by t and x power 4 plus f of x whole power 4 equal to t square plus 1 by t square. Then the value of, see how we are going to get first by using the given conditions. What conditions are provided? X square minus f of x whole square is equal to t minus 1 by t. Here x power 4 and f of x whole power 4 is given. Squaring on both sides, a minus b whole square expansion, x power 4, f of x whole power 4 becomes whole square minus 2 into x square into f of x whole square is equal to t square plus 1 by t square minus 2. Okay. Wherever t square plus 1 by t square is there, replace with this value and x power 4 plus f of x whole power 4 minus 2x square into f of x whole square equal to x power 4 plus f of x whole power 4 minus 2. Since from the given value, I hope you understand this, students. So we can cancel it, these terms. Here both sides minus 2 also get cancelled. We will write as x square f of x whole square equal to 1. Okay, students, till here, got clarity now on this? Okay. So here, x into f of x whole square is equal to 1. X into f of x equal to plus or minus 1. Still here we got clarity, and f of x equal to plus or minus 1 by x. Now come to the question in this. F of x value is what? 1 by x. Here minus 2012 to 2012 plus 2000. Question 1 I will see that. Yeah, the question is, dear students, a little mistake we need to verify. This is not x square, that's why I am waiting for that. This is x cube, not x square. So from here, f of x value we got it now. F dash of x is equal to what? 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. If it is minus, plus 1 by x square will come. So now calculate this value. Now x square f cube into f of x into f dash of x is equal to x cube into f of x. Here plus or minus, there plus or minus, nothing will happen. Plus or minus 1 by x into f dash of x is minus 1 by x square. Here minus get cancelled. Total x cube get cancelled. It is 1. But x cube into f of x into f dash of x plus x equal to 1 plus x. Here if you do not consider plus or minus, so minus will be there. Here plus or minus if you do not consider. Here only plus if you take. Both will consider. But plus if we take, this value will become minus. So minus 1 will be there. So taking integration on both sides, integral minus 2012 to plus 2012 x cube into f of x plus f dash of x into f dash of x plus x dx equal to integral 2012 minus 2 2012 plus x minus 1 into dx. Integral x minus 1 is x minus 1 whole square by 2. Applying the limits 0 to, minus 2012 to plus 2012, which is equal to 2012 minus 1 is 2011 square by 2 minus 2012, so 2013 whole square by 2. So 1 by 2 bring out a plus b into a minus b. So 4000 a plus b, I am writing 4024 into minus 2, a minus b. So 2 get cancelled, is equal to minus 4024 is our answer, dear students. Slowly you can understand that. Here x minus integral x is x dx is x square by 2 now. So similarly, integral x minus 1, the integration is x minus 1 whole square by 2. First upper limit we are substituting. 2012 minus 1 is 2001 whole square by 2 minus 2012 minus 1 minus 2013 whole square, it will be plus only anyway. So a square minus b square we are applying, a plus b into a minus b. Okay students, I hope you understand. So plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, minus 4024. It is there in the third option. Yeah, one more question also we will discuss. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the support. My sincere request to Ritvik is after 10 to 12 hours. Why? Because in the live session, it may be in private after completing of the session. After 12 hours, it will be in the public. That time you can give the comment. These comments will come in that time. I think these comments it won't come in the now. It will be there. After that, it won't be available. I observed. That is the reason I am saying. We'll move to another question now. Thank you. Anyway, thank you to Mr. Ravi. Thank you. We'll move to another set of questions. Here the question is, let I1 equal to integral 0 to 1 log 1 by x minus 1 into dx. I2 equal to integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 6x into dx. I3 equal to integral 0 to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin square x into dx. Then the question is the first option, I2 equal to I3 equal to 0. Second option, I2 equal to I3 equal to 0, but I1 is not equal to 0. Third option, I3 equal to I1 equal to 0, but I2 is not equal to 0. The fourth option, I1 equal to 0, but I3 is not equal to 0 and I2 is not equal to 0. So these are the options are provided. So this type of interesting questions they may chances to ask in JEE Mains. Nowadays MSET also they are asking. That's what I observed these students in the differentiations of MSET. I observed these type of questions also they are making. So we will do the first question. I1 I'm taking. I1 equal to integral 0 to 1 log of, if you take LCM 1 by x minus 1, it will be 1 minus x by x only, no? Dx. Later on, by using the property integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So it will becomes I1 equal to 0 to 1 log of, wherever x is there, 1 minus x you have to replace, that is the property. So 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x into dx. So I1 equal to integral 0 to 1 log of 1 minus 1 plus x, that means x by 1 minus x into dx. Now adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 equations, so then I1 plus I1 is equal to, both limits are same, upper limit and lower limit. So integral 0 to 1 log of 1 minus x by x plus log of x by 1 minus x into dx. So by using logarithm properties, log a plus log b is log ab. So it will becomes I plus I is 2 I1 integral 0 to 1 log 1 minus x by x into x divided by 1 minus x into dx, which is equal to integral 0 to 1 log 1 into dx. What is log 1 value? Log 1 is 0. So integral 0 to 1, 0 into dx. This will be absolutely 0. So 2I1 equal to 0, that implies that I1 value goes to be 0. So I1 is 0. We have in I1 is 0 in this, but deciding factor is I2 and I3, no? That also will do it. So I2 equal to, anyway clearly I2 and I3 may not 0. Why? Because integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 6x into dx. Here we are going to apply the formula. Integral 0 to 2a f of x into dx equal to 2 times of integral 0 to half of the upper limit f of x dx. When it is possible, since f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, since it is indirectly even function. So we can write it as 2 times of 0 to pi cos power 6x into dx. Still it is even function. Again by using this property, 2 times of integral 0 to half of the upper limit pi by 2 into cos power 6x into dx, which is equal to 4 times of, we know the formula, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx into dx. When n is even number, n minus 1 by 2, that means n minus 1 by n, that means 6 minus 1 divided by 6, 4 minus, here we can numerators 6, like this it comes now, 6 minus 1 by 6, 6 minus 3 by 4, next 6 minus 5 divided by 2. So 1 by 2, wherever 1 by 2 is there, we can multiply with pi by 2, dear students. So 4 into 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So here 4 get cancelled. 15 pi divided by 24. I2, by observing it is not equal to 0. Okay, dear students, we decided I2 is not equal to 0, I1 equal to 0. I3 also deciding factor. Even 3 table also we can do it. 3 5s are, 3 8s are. I2 value 5 pi by 8. Next, I3 equal to integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x into dx. We know that another property in definite integration, integral minus a to a f of x dx equal to 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx if f of minus x equal to f of x, that means even function. So we can write it as I3 as 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x into dx. Again, you have to apply the property formula integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx when n is even number. So 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 we got it. Multiplying by pi by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. The answer is pi by 2. I3 equal to pi by 2. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, I3 value is pi by 2. By observing the options, I1 is equal to 0, but I2 is not equal to 0 and I3 is also not equal to 0. So it shows the option number 4. This is our required and final answer. Thank you dear students for watching our channel Maths with Panindra. If you want to get more videos, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you all for your support. Number of videos are there in our playlist, especially intermediate, second year, first year, second year geometry and second year calculus part. Topic wise, exercise wise, questions are available. You can practice from that, and any doubts are there, write in the comment box. In my free time, I'll respond. Thank you all.